Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This is the number 40, guys. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button down below. And while you're at it, guys, make sure to hit that bell as well. So that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like doll houses, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman, whose channel is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below, so make sure to go on over and check him out. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Guys, first up, we're gonna check out the magazine. But before we check out the magazine, guys, I wanted to let you guys know we have another channel called Love from BA or Love from Buenos Aires. It's a touristy channel that shows things of Buenos Aires, and Argentina in general, but also things of the US. It's a collaboration between me and my husband. So if you like our style, you can see more stuff there. Isn't that right, hun?
Yeah. We have videos in English and in Spanish. And we show also foods and cultural things.
All kinds of stuff.
Places, yeah.
So I will have those links down in the description below. So make sure to check those out. And well, guys, with that being said, let's mosey on down to the magazine. Up at the top, as always, we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse in the Victorian style, of course. And here it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is the number 40. If you would like to see the previous 39, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the in cards. And guys, this collection is from Salvat, which is the same company that makes the Marvel figures which I unbox. If you're interested in seeing those, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in my channel. And here it says the grand bedroom in white. It looks really cool. The little desk there is really cute. And here you see the full bedroom with the desk there. Paintings on the wall. Chandelier here. And I'm pretty sure, for what I saw on the website, that the lights are going to really light up. I'm half excited about that and half completely terrified about that, because I've never done any electronic work at all and I know absolutely nothing about it. So it's going to be quite the experience to try and attempt that.
But I guess it will teach you how, right? I don't know. I guess it will bring the cables and tell you how to, or not. I don't know.
It will tell you how to do it if that's the case.
Otherwise, we call an electrician.
I don't know, YouTube.
Yeah.
Good trusty Google.
Yeah.
if you go a bit more down, I love this little night table here with the lamp. That's just really cool. And here it shows you how to put the wallpaper on the house. And here it gives you even more directions if you're unclear. But don't worry guys, we're going to build this dollhouse together on my channel. So if you stick around, you'll be able to see us unbox the entire collection and build it together. So stick around guys, because it's gonna get cool. I really can't wait to complete it guys, because I have some really big ideas for how I'm going to use this dollhouse, at least on my channel. And I don't know if you're going to want to use it too, but it's going to be cool. That's all I say.
Yeah, I could use maybe part of the process and show it on my channel and then the finished thing, right?
Yeah, but I mean once it's built.
Yeah.
But of course, we're going to document the entire process. How not?
I wonder how many numbers it will take to complete it.
Yeah, I'm not sure about that, but many I imagine. But hopefully, we're nearing the end.
I don't think so, you think?
I don't know.
I think maybe we are in half of it.
Yeah, I guess, but I'm not sure. And here it talks about how in the Victorian age they had a lot of porcelain plates and porcelain dishes and that sort of thing. That's another cool thing about this collection, is that it not only like shows you how to build the dollhouse, it also gives you historical context, right?
Yeah.
And here it talks about a French designer. It gives a biography of a French designer.
Elsa Schiaparelli. Are you sure it's French? Mm-hmm. It sounds Italian.
Francesa.
Oh, yeah. You're right.
I know.
Maybe from Italian descendants. I don't know.
Maybe. But I'm really not sure.
No.
Well guys, that's the end of that. We just have the front of the dollhouse there. And Well guys, now it's time to see the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. First up, we have this like Frankenwood piece. It's flat. It's like the other big pieces that we've gotten in this collection. Frankenwood. But well, then moving along to the more interesting things, we have two that look just like this. I really like the stripes. What do you think, Hannah?
Yeah, this is like wallpaper.
Yeah.
It will be.
Yeah, it's wallpaper for the house.
Cool.
And it's like a really thick wallpaper. It's like kind of plastified. And it's pretty thick. I don't know if you can see there. It's very thick.
Yeah.
But well, there's that one. And I'm gonna show you the other one. This one is just the same. It has the same pattern. It's nice colors. I like it.
That's good.
Well, I'm gonna put this back down here. And well guys, tell me, what do you guys think about this collection? What do you think about the number 40? Tell me down in the comments below. And of course guys, tell me, do you like this collection? Tell me what you guys think. And of course guys, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman, whose channel is called Cosas Parchiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links down in the description below, so make sure to go on over and check him out. And well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.